Hi guys, welcome back, and today we're gonna play Bouncy Ball. Part 3! Yeah! Gusto ko crazy again. Bro's like a Tony Pants. He's like a Tony Pants. No, you're the Tony Pants. Wait. Refund. It's like a Tony Pants. It's like a Tony Pants. Oh, God! So noisy. Do not. We spot the vid over here. Bro's like a Tony Pants. Oh! I was so close, guys. Okay. Bro's like a Tony Pants. Bro's like a Tony Pants. If you say I'm gonna, because we look so cool, right? Yeah. I swear, if you see and if we see use any comments saying that we're chopped, we will be mad, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay. Bro's like a Tony Pants. Okay. Bro's like a Tony Pants. Okay, 1 point for me, 0 point for Jojo. I mean, there's no points to this round. What? Yeah, smooch face. What is it? There. Okay, if someone catch this like Jojo or me, we get a point. Don't shout, you're scaring me. Yes. Oh no, oh no. Jojo, I think we have a problem. The ball's under there. Guys, we have to pause this second and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. And you will see us in part 4.